Hello friends, this is Ganesh Naik. There's a common misconception that if you want to become a CFA charter holder, you only have to clear 3 levels of examination. That is incorrect. If you want to start using CFA as a designation, you have to follow a series of steps. The first step obviously is that you have to complete all 3 levels of CFA examination as prescribed by the CFA Institute. The second and very important point is that you have to show 4,000 hours of professional work experience, and that too in a minimum of 3 years of time frame. This experience requirement was previously 4 years and now it has been changed to 3 years. Third, and most importantly, people forget about this, is that you have to be a member of the CFA Institute, and for that you have to pay the annual fees every single year to the CFA Institute. Then only you can use the designation properly. Fourth, and also very rarely discussed about, that you have to adhere to the code of conduct of the CFA Institute and the standard of professional behavior. And the last one, you have to submit a professional reference requirement, 3 people if they are not CFA charter holder and 2 people if they are CFA charter holders. Once you complete all of these pointers, all of these steps, then only you can become a CFA charter holder, and then only you can start using CFA in front of your name. Thank you very much.